Sometimes in northeast Wisconsin, especially the Fox cities, nature can seem kind of small.
The nature's there. You might have to drive 20-30 minutes.
You just need to know where to look. That's where Venture Wisconsin comes in. Welcome to our Neature feature. Our first episode. Isn't that neat? For our first Neature feature, we're at Thousand Islands in Kaukauna. Pretty neat place, right in the Fox cities, super close to Appleton, super close to the surrounding area. Let's check it out. Oh, hey. So we're gonna start inside the actual nature center at Thousand Islands. This is where the journey starts for many kids and programs for the outdoors. Now before we go outside, full disclosure for those of you that don't make it out to nature very much, other than this eagle, none of these animals can be found at Thousand Islands Nature Center. One of the reasons you might want to come to Thousand Islands Nature Center is that there's over 300 acres to explore, and it's the only one on the Fox River. It's kind of the last nature preserve on the Fox River. Definitely worth checking out. Almost 7 miles of hiking trails. You'll never run out of things to do or see.